Dick, yeah. Yeah, James. Two of the best. Yeah. Welcome to Trudeau Town. This is the future of Canada.
The future of Canada.
And if you go for the deluxe model, capital gains when you sell it. 2 rooms.
Prestigious.
And you bath in the lake.
Oh, really?
Which is polluted, I'm afraid, now because of the mill, which they sold to the Chinese.
Yeah. I don't believe you.
Yeah.
Does the bonfire go all day?
Sorry?
Does the bonfire go all day?
The bonfire goes all day, and there's some pervert up here with a pair of binoculars. I thought he was watching the trains, but he's actually watching the babes down here.
Oh, I missed those.
The naked women.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
And then there's the train crash, which they left.
I don't know if I can call it a layout, but it's marvelous. That's the one that you hear going through Sardis all the time.
Oh.
That's the guy, Rail Link.
So I decided I'd exit the real town. I mean, this is every town. It's not just the one. So it's a safety issue. Yes, sir.
That's my newest ones. They're not done. But here, push it to go over here.
Yeah.
Whoever put it in, it works.
That's what
Works like that.
I turned on my green classification light.
Yeah. bales all laid out so nice.
Yeah, oh yeah. No, these guys.
Okay, that was the big.
Yeah, we did, but right now folks are just running.
I would call it a hole.
Electrical.